Welcome to SolidWorks 2019. We are going to see one of the long-awaiting enhancements. In SolidWorks 2018, by using the Defeature, you can remove the details from the part or assembly and save the results to a new file, in which the results will be like a dump model, that is the solids without the feature definition or history. So, SolidWorks 2019 introduces a new shell-out option to help simplify an assembly based on the outline of the components and bodies. The Defeature tool provides the capability to massively remove unnecessary detail to improve the large assembly performance or to protect the intellectual property. Now we will start by selecting several components that we would like to retain their original geometry. A variety of simplification methods are available. For this selection, we will choose no simplification method. As we add this group, SolidWorks splits the window and presents the preview of the simplification. The view of the orientation windows stay in sync to help to visualize the progress. Next, we can use the option to select identical components to grab all the rail wheels and also the studs. The cable and the motor are also plated in this is the body. So for this selection, we will choose the cylindrical method to strip all the details. Next, we will grab all of the hexagon nuts in one go, as well as the bodies of the pivot hanger and electrical control box. So for this, the polygon outline method is used, which creates an extruded polygon that fits around the outline of the selected components. Almost we have done this. The driver motor will be simplified using the tight fit outline method. This will create an extruded body by using a tight outline and selected components. Once satisfied with the simplification, the defeatured model can be saved to a new document with the link to the original, or the component supplied can be uploaded in the 3D Content Central. Simplifying complex assemblies have never been easier with the enhanced Defeature tools in SolidWorks 2019. So the conclusion is, these tools will help the users share their models and protect their intellectual property. Thanks all for watching.